Yes, so my people, I throw away salute to I remain your homeboy, MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa and Asia, the Amlata one of Agbokidon, Dunu Mega Mega one of Africa, aka the only boy that travel the whole world without passport and visa. You understand? Yeah, what up, gas for Uganda like this, not be small thing. It don't red as I dey talk to you, so it don't catch fire everywhere. The second mega blood they flow anyhow for Uganda right now. So. Mm-hmm. Their president we did there before now. So the president, they be like say they bought the country. They call bought the I mean they bought the president, they call bought the country follower. Uh-huh. Or they bought the country, they call bought the president follow the country. I say for over 30 years now, this president don't they rule. If you see how he face how he face, everywhere don't me like this. Come outside. You don't want to leave the place. You see, not be small loan. With this, I just say only where I come from before. That man na G. I just say only that they take low before for Uganda for China. No, say if you see low, where this man don't take for China, not be small thing. They don't use the full country. They don't nearly use the full country now. They take low finish for China hard. And they know if people finish 1 million years, so China now got to take some of their land to avoid story that touch. You know, understand? You know, so if you cannot be there, you join them. So this man, he do so many things. So the Indian people, they come off for India, come Uganda. They see me, they see give them their own state, their own area. They won't be Indian Uganda. No be small thing I tell you. So this one I tell you, so they protest. They say because they don't do the country, so don't they over 50 years, over 70 years, so they even born die for themselves. Say India won't come get their own place for say Uganda for Africa. We they not even they give us the time when I did India that year, they don't even give us better self, no even stay self foreigners. Especially we'll be black people. So that they look us say this Negro. You they see also. So what you see with all this our leaders for Africa they put with self. They just the condition we, especially when they travel the whole world. So they just the condition us, they cause problem. They don't they feel them. They just they do the thing, till they worry the masses when they also their own they go for. So if we talk now, they say we do the talk. They don't do everything and kill, fighting for Uganda. Now this one will do for Nigeria, say census. So now mama. And my man be down. If you see what the apple for Uganda, me and you they talk now. So now even the Uganda spirit self itself, the Uganda itself, will be boy guess so. His spirit that call me say I am MC Marvelous. I bet me help me talk to my people. So see what they supple. Not be smart to you, my people. As I tell you so my people. Not be smart, yeah, what all gas now for Uganda everywhere they say get making a bomb that they throw now. A bomb, what show everything. No. One young guy now called Fallout. See, like this. I don't need to call a nigga now to avoid story that touch. Because as me, I they talk like this now, they don't baptize the guy. They don't bap the guy like this. Say, why the guy go protest? The guy now saying a freedom fighter. Say, we like this, he want to overthrow the government. So when they come out that president, say the president don't too rule, you don't too much. You know understand? So in the trial now, he don't get fans. Don't take nearly to the full Uganda now for a fans. Now the government and now they go babam, not be small thing. Say why go do campaign for inside lockdown. And this old man when they test we don't over 30 years, so he don't do campaign last week. Oh, nothing happen. No. This guy now can't do it now this week. They can't bab this guy now. Call leave the masses. So no. We like this. As me the talk so now the masses now they call the followers now they call the court chain now. Say, but it's not supposed to be like that. It's not the apple like that. As me the talk now, we nobody even know where they don't stone that guy go. Now be na Zafara, I be the stoner go Sabisa Forest now. We don't know where the stoner go now. So we have to look for that guy like this now. Very fine, black, humble guy. You know the way you gotta put a black now. So you be like my own like this. Now so they be. So this one I was they play right now for inside Uganda. Now to make a call to know. For those of you who want to know more about the story, no follow me for YouTube. Me MC Marvelous Bomb. Now see me for YouTube. Follow me for Instagram like that, MC Marvelous Bomb. I put there. Just follow me for Facebook, MC Marvelous 2 times. You see me for there, gidigba for there. Make you dey like the video, make you dey share them, make you dey subscribe. You know that stuff. Just jump. Just do that thing now to avoid story that touch. I beg all of now. I beg. With a lawyer for now. In fact, I suppose put this my social card for now, but may not be like because this video now, if I remove it, they don't say soldier, the lawyer for person. You know that's now soldier of Christ, soldier for everywhere, soldier for all the community. Not to do now. We have them now they subscribe, when they like, when they share. So that my church can move to the permanent side. I don't understand. I know say all this my baby when you use the day like this, so make it for the see the soft. You know understand. So that the thing go they go where the thing go they marama. Now so they be my people, not be small thing. The voice of Africa and Asia. For those of now we want no more about what is up for Uganda, what is the happen now. Make you follow me like that, make you subscribe like that, make you relax like that, make you they feed the video, make you they see before I go shoot one now. Happy new month to all my fans at the first. Happy December. On 1 December, no lumego. Now so my people, everywhere they sweet, everywhere they soft, everywhere they maramara. So if you enjoy yourself, make you take care now. Make you they use your brain. My people say, make you use your brain, make you use your tongue, they count your teeth to avoid story that touch so that we will see the normal 21st, go enter the new year. So make you they enjoy with a canoe show. Those of now they drive, they smoke, they drink. Make you use your brain. When they carry, they go club, they go. Make una use una brain to avoid story that touch. Finish your gauge, make you call out your mamu like that to avoid the so kind of bad news. I beg now, God, I beg una. You know, say this life very sweet. Or the way leaders do us, but the life is very sweet. For those of now, we don't know what they happen for Uganda. Oh yeah, watch the video, make you call out your mamu.